All right, you recording?
Yeah.
All right, on today's episode, we're going to be putting tire chains on a 2019 Polaris XP1000 Ranger. We already did studs on the tires. They do work very well on the lake during ice fishing. But now we're going to do some overkill. We're going to put some tire chains on them and stuff. And these tire chains come with little spikes and stuff, so pretty good. The company is KIMPEX that makes the tire chains, of course, made in China and stuff. So again, it must be good. Don't worry, we disinfected this thing when it got delivered to the house, so it's all good. So these tire chains are huge. These are for the back tires. So the back tires are bigger than the front tires in width size. The chains look really good, like good quality versus other chain companies. So when you put them down, they got these little spikes, like little U's on them, and they stick out. They stick out and they grip anything like ice, snow, mud, whatever you guys want to do with them. So first things first, I'm gonna go to my Ranger. I'm gonna go take out air out of the tires. I think I'm gonna put them down to like 10 psi. Okay, take two on this project. I'm gonna lift the rear end.
Yes. This part here is supposed to be like that there. Higher? Oh, okay, yes. And this that just hangs? Or hook it to that?
See the spikes. Okay, both tires are done on the Ranger with the chains. The excess chain that is on both sides. Most guys that you see, they'll run like a bungee system to like a tensioner on the sides, like in the front there. I just took some wire and I just wrapped it around and stuff there to access so it doesn't flop around in here when you're driving, but it will not hit any of the A-arms or the suspension when driving. But if you do spacers like I have on this one right now, on this Ranger, I have 1.5 inch spacers front and rear. They do give you an extra, like a security insurance policy, that nothing will touch the suspension when driving around. It's a little pain in the ass to install them, that's for sure. It's my first time. I never did it before in my life. I haven't even seen it on YouTube done before. I didn't do my research kind of thing, so I'm going blind on this one. And that's it, but it looks like everything's good. I pumped up the tires to 28 PSI right now. Recommended is like 25 PSI, but I bumped it up to make the chains tighter. We stick to the tire more. But I have a feeling after I drive it, it's gonna loosen up a little bit. It's gonna fall into its grooves. And then we gotta adjust them again. But one little tip, when you're putting the chains on your tires, make sure they fall into these grooves here, where the tread is on the tire. Make sure they go here, not on top of the tires. And you can see our studs right here. That's left over. Our studs right here. So all the tires are studded. I want to do like a little experiment. Let's see what chains do when driving on ice. And we're gonna get a winter storm in the next couple hours. So I want to test it on my driveway and see how that's gonna go too. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Again, here's the product, KIMPEX. I'm gonna put the link in the description of where I got them and stuff. I believe Amazon. I get most of my stuff in Amazon and stuff. And when you buy this, you get a little tub. So when you're done with them during the season, like summertime kind of thing, you take them off, put them in here for storage, put them away in your garage until next season, and then do this process all over again. All right, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Please like, subscribe, comment. It's all free. Thank you. your ATV or side by side. The chains for the rear tires. They give you so much grip on the ice and the snow. So, tell you guys, if you're on the fence of buying them, buy them. 150 bucks, can't go around. All right, guys, on to the next one. Have a good day.